I've been using the OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro. Not OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro. And I came across this article about the battery life, battery comparison. When you set up the phone, you have an option. So you don't have to run the device in 90 hertz and full res. It's an option. And I get it. Like, one of the things about this phone that feels really fancy and really compelling, one of the things I like about it, it just feels so snappy because of that 90 hertz display. Looks good, OLED, full screen. But it turns out it can bite into your battery life a little bit. And so this battery comparison was putting the OnePlus 7, the regular OnePlus 7, that you can't get in North America, up against the Pro version with the 90 hertz display. And they discovered that if you toggle back the refresh rate, you can actually gather back a little bit of battery life as well. As you can see, Will's got a graph here demonstrating just how many minutes of life you can get back by toggling not just the refresh rate, but also the resolution. So I know there's a lot of OnePlus 7 Pros out there, as well as other smartphones, and I just thought it's a little public service announcement here that if your phone allows for it, if you can toggle back refresh rate or resolution, you may actually get more value out of extending your battery life. So it's something to think about. I'm not doing it because I'm not having battery issues, to be clear. I find the battery to actually be doing really well for me on the 7 Pro, and I'm leaving the 90 hertz going. But if you want to toggle it off, you can do so. It's in the settings menu. Under resolution, you can choose between QHD+, FHD+, or auto switch. And then, of course, 90 hertz or 60 hertz. 60 hertz is just going to look like a regular, like every other phone. So for a lot of people, that might be worthwhile. Exchange for a little extra battery life. But it's just so smooth right now, Will, that I don't necessarily want to do it myself. I just want to get the message out there. You get to choose. Fluid, nature, smoothness, butter. Some people calling it the fastest phone in the world. You ever have butter, Will?
Butter's great.
You love butter.
Can't you tell?
You know what? I should have known. I should have known. Sometimes if a guy if a guy has a nice jump shot in basketball, you can say it's like butter. You know, not the stuff you can't believe it's not butter. I'm saying you could say that shot is like butter. You could even just say that shot is butter. Just smooth, creamy. It's unbelievable. Well, that's how a lot of people are describing the OnePlus 7 Pro as well. So keep it that way unless you need the added extra battery life. Then get rid of the butter. It's up to you.